Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2005 Chevrolet Corvette maintenance light reset. We are going to use that screen right there and these buttons over here. There is a trip button and a reset button, and those are the two buttons that we're going to be using. Now go ahead and start your car. Give me a second here. Okay, now go ahead and press that trip button. Keep oh, okay, it's right there. Oil change, change engine oil, as you can see. Now keep pressing it until you find this oil life remaining. Now press and hold the reset button until it resets, just like that. And that is it, guys. Make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.